Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to add Bitcoin in Exodus wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to add Bitcoin in your Exodus wallet, all you need to do is simply tap open your wallet. So once you have tapped open the wallet itself, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the Bitcoin option. So once you have tapped on the Bitcoin option, you can see the downward facing arrow option. So simply tap on it and there you can find a QR scanner, which is your BTC address. So to add your money, the person that is sending you money can simply scan the wallet address, or you can even share your wallet address through different kind of websites and get your Bitcoin added. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.